here at the Manasquan Inlet, Point Pleasant Beach, New Jersey, April 11th, 2026. Beautiful day. People on the beach, surfers. 60 degrees plus. We got a nice boat headed out. Not too many boats today, but take what I can get. Cutwater boat, beautiful. Nice waves out there. Oh boy, we're coming in here. Whoa! Oh! Wow! Darn. That was a close one. Oh boy, they're still coming in. Gotta watch. The waves are starting to break. And we got the beach. Surfers. Gorgeous Saturday. I think that boat was just doing a test drive. So I'm going to get him on the way coming in. Let's see. There it comes. Must be wanting to buy a new boat. Doing a test drive. Spring fever. Guess they could take the boats out before they buy them. Some of these facilities here that sell the boats. Nice to take a test drive. Comes the Cutwater. I'll take it. Headed down to Manasquan Inlet. Okay, we're gonna sign off for now.